So, we've been talking a lot about the importance of meetings and the role they play in business. But I think the real question is, are we using these meetings effectively?
Exactly. You know, when business leaders get together, they often start discussing company operations. But here's the catch: there's a major flaw in how people approach this. They invite well known individuals to give lectures, but what do we really get from that?
Right? The information shared in those lectures is often already available on the internet, right? It's not like these speakers are revealing anything that's unique. It's all out there for anyone to access.
Absolutely. If you look online, you could find hundreds of similar talks or articles, sometimes even better than what these so called experts are offering. The real value comes when we, as corporate leaders, actively engage with each other, sharing our own experiences and knowledge.
That's a really good point. And the thing is, when we gather in a group, each person has something valuable to offer. Even if you're not the expert in the room, the act of trying to share and teach something pushes everyone to grow.
Exactly. Imagine you have a meeting every week and each time, someone different leads the discussion. It's not about being perfect. It's about practicing, sharing, and building on each other's energy. Every word you speak, every idea you exchange, holds power.
That energy is key, right? Words carry weight. And it's not just about what you're saying, it's about the collective energy of the group. The more we engage with each other, the more we build up that energy, and the more it feeds back into our own growth.
I agree. Just like eating food in small amounts to accumulate energy over time, the same principle applies to gathering knowledge and exchanging ideas. It's all about the accumulation and transformation of energy.
And this energy exchange isn't just theoretical. If we know how to use it correctly, we can elevate our own abilities and help others grow as well. It's about constantly adding to your base of knowledge, building that mass.
But it's not just about learning. It's about the discipline of focusing on what's in front of you. If you can't handle what's right in front of you, how will you be able to move on to bigger challenges?
So this means we need to take these gatherings seriously. We can't just show up without a clear purpose. Each meeting, each exchange of energy has to be seen as a stepping stone to higher leadership and wisdom.
And I think this principle is especially important for CEOs. If a CEO doesn't understand how to lead effectively, it's like the whole structure crumbles. Leading isn't about knowing everything. It's about knowing enough and empowering the experts around you.
Exactly. A CEO should know just enough, maybe 30%, but leave the rest to the specialists. If they try to master every detail, they'll end up overstepping their role. The CEO's job is to make decisions and maintain a vision, not to become the expert in every field.
And that balance is crucial. If the CEO becomes too involved in the weeds, they'll undermine the specialists and disrupt the natural flow of energy within the company. There's a delicate balance between respecting the expertise of others and maintaining the necessary oversight.
This whole concept of respect is at the heart of successful leadership. Whether it's respecting your employees or those above you, it's about maintaining harmony and understanding that everyone plays a role in creating that collective energy.
And that's where the real power lies, in mutual respect. When you respect your employees and trust them to do their jobs, that energy flows in a positive direction. But if a leader is constantly micromanaging, that energy is drained.
It's so important to recognize the energy exchange. If you can't respect the people around you, whether it's your employees, your mentors, or even your competitors, you'll never reach the level of leadership that's needed to succeed.
Exactly. It's all about using the energy of those around you wisely. The moment we lose that respect or start misusing the energy exchange, that's when the problems start to spiral.
So, what do you think? How do we make sure we're creating the right environment for this kind of energy exchange?
It starts with understanding the role of each person in the group. Every interaction is an opportunity to build energy. If we approach each meeting with the intention to learn, share, and grow together, we're bound to see that transformation happen.
Right? And when we do this, we open ourselves up to new ideas, new challenges, and new opportunities. That's how we can truly become effective leaders, by respecting the energy around us and making sure it's used in the right way.
Absolutely. By focusing on mutual respect and energy exchange, we can build stronger businesses and become the kind of leaders who inspire true growth, not just in ourselves, but in everyone around us.
Well said. It all comes down to understanding the energy in the room, using it wisely, and respecting each person's contribution to that energy. That's how we grow as individuals and as leaders.